So we covered all of the questions from the schedule 1. There are 23 questions. Out of the 23 questions, they're going to ask you 4 from exterior, which is your outside, and 2 from interior, which is inside. So now we're going to just cover this coupling and uncoupling. Okay, so we're going to be covering the coupling and uncoupling. So for this question, for this part, you're going to start the truck. You're going to check if your brakes are applied, your truck is in neutral. You're going to come outside. Okay, so for the coupling and uncoupling, you guys have brakes are applied, truck's in neutral, my wheels are chalked, my vehicle is safe and secure. I'm going to drop my landing gear now. So when you come here, you're going to say first thing first, the ground is hard and level. I'm going to drop my landing gear. I'm in the landing gear. As it gets harder, but it's important to make sure that you put enough power and make sure it goes to... Okay, so we put the landing gear down. You're going to see the handle is safe and secure. My landing gear is down. Here we're going to pull the lever out. You open the compartment. Here, you're going to grab this. You're going to come here. You're going to hook it up with the lever. You hear that click? My lever is out. You're gonna take this with you down underneath the trailer. You're gonna come underneath and you're gonna say, my jaws are open. You're gonna put this away. From here, you're gonna disconnect the service lines. So we're gonna disconnect our service lines. So for the green one, you gotta lift it up and pull it out. You're gonna say this one's out. Take all the other ones off too. You're gonna put it in here. You're gonna say my lines are disconnected and they're safe and secure. When we're done disconnecting the lines, we're gonna go inside the truck and we're only gonna put in the yellow brake. You do not have to touch the red brake again. So when you come inside the truck, you're gonna press only the yellow brake in, put it in drive, and you're gonna look at the upper mirror and you're gonna forward the truck. Once we forward the truck, make sure our brakes are applied, truck's in neutral, you're gonna come here. You're gonna say, my fifth wheel is out. My kingpin is out. My landing gear is holding the weight of the trailer. If it falls, it will fall on the tractor. Trailer park's safe and secure. You gotta make sure that the fifth wheel is not touching the trailer. Now you can either go left or right. It depends on the examiner. So from here, we're gonna take it to the left. Inside, you're gonna press only the yellow brake in. Put it in drive. You're gonna turn the 4-ways on. You're gonna slowly take it forward. And you're gonna turn completely left. You don't necessarily need to give enough race. You can just, it will slowly go. When it's straight, you stop, put it in neutral, pull the brakes, and we're gonna go outside. And when we come here, you're gonna say, my lines, no cut, no damage, they're hanging properly. You're gonna pull all 3 of these lines out. Now, you're gonna talk about the glad hands first. Glad hands, no crack, no damage. The rubbers, no cut, no damage. Now you can see the rubbers like this. You gotta just fix it up, which will be fine, because it's important to make sure that the rubbers are properly fixed. So, then you're gonna say, the fasteners are tight and secure. The electric line, no crack, no damage. There's nothing in the hole. You're gonna put the lines away. They're safe and secure. You come here. There's nothing between the tires. You gotta make sure you check both sides properly. All fasteners are tight and secure. No missing, no loose. The lever is out, no bent, no damage. the safety pin is tight and secure. You're gonna come here. You're gonna say my 4-ways are working. My drive shaft is good. My jaws are open. The fifth wheel has enough grease. You're gonna come here, say the same line, you say the opposite side, you say it here again. Check properly, nothing between the tires. All fasteners are tight and secure, no missing, no loose. So you're gonna say the fifth wheel airline, no cut, no damage. When you say that, you're gonna come here, you're gonna look at the trailer and look at the view. You're gonna say my view is clear. You're gonna go inside the truck. The truck, yellow brake in, put it in reverse, completely left. When you're ready, press the city horn twice. Now, we're gonna look outside, slowly take it. You don't have to get raced, it'll go by itself, take your time. Here, there's no rush, you can take your time, it's not a big deal. You gotta just make sure it's lined up properly. I can check the mirror and slowly take it. Now, as you can see, it's not in shape, it's not in line, so I'm allowed to forward the truck one time. So I'm gonna put the truck in drive, and I can fix it when I want to. When you've done that, you can put it back in reverse, play around a little bit, fix it up. Now, slowly take it in. And stop it right there. Put it in neutral, hold the brakes out. You're gonna go outside now. When you go outside, you're gonna walk right here. You're done, you pull the brakes out, neutral. You're gonna say my truck's in neutral, brakes are applied. You're gonna come here, look underneath the trailer. There's no space between the fifth wheel and the trailer. The tractor trailer height is good. This is your trailer sticker, it is valid. One more thing, you have a sticker in the front as well. You're gonna talk about that as well. My tractor sticker is valid. Then you can go underneath the trailer. When you come underneath the trailer, you come here, you're gonna say the upper plate has enough grease, kingpin, no crack, no damage, no bend. The kingpin is lined in the center of the fifth wheel. From here, you're gonna go outside. You're gonna talk about the glide hands now. So now, here, you're gonna come, and you can just talk about the glide hands. The glide hands, no crack, no damage. Rubber, no cut, no damage. Fasteners are tight and secure. There's nothing in the 7-hole. The electric pill, no crack, no damage. So, you've done all that. Important to make sure that your back's turned. Come slowly. When you've done all that, we're gonna go back inside the truck. When you come inside the truck, you press the yellow brake in, put it in reverse, and slowly take it back. As you're going, you're gonna hear like a click sound. When you hear that sound, you're gonna put it in drive to do a dug test. 1 time, 2 times. So, hold the brakes, put it in neutral, come back out. So, when you come outside, my brakes are applied, truck's in neutral, my dug test has passed. From here, you're gonna come here, look underneath the trailer. There is no space between the fifth wheel and the trailer. The lever is in. You're gonna go underneath. My jaws are locked. From here, you're gonna connect your lines. So when you connect the lines, it doesn't matter which one you do first. They all need to be connected. So I'm gonna start with the electric pill, the electric line. It's connected. Now this one is very important that you do upwards, rubber to rubber, and bring it down. Same thing with the other one. Do it upwards, rubber to rubber, bring it down. Okay, my lines are connected. So when I come here, my lines are connected. I'm gonna pick my landing gear up. I put the landing gear up. can't leave it halfway because it does not look good that way. So, my landing gear is up, handle is safe and secure. I'm gonna walk to the back now. When you're done doing everything in the front, you're gonna come to the back. You're gonna check both four-ways on the left and the right side. Okay, yep, they're working. You're gonna give the examiner the thumbs up because the examiner will be at the front that it is working. Now you're gonna just walk inside the truck. Go, lines and everything. So when you come inside the truck, from here, when you come inside the truck, you're gonna turn your four-ways off, release the red brake in, truck off, give it a few seconds, ignition on. The pressure, my pressure for both primary and secondary is sitting at 100 psi, which is good. You're gonna listen outside. There's no audible air leak coming from my supply line. You're gonna hold the brake, make sure it's all the way to the ground. 10-15 seconds gone by. There's no air leak coming from my service line. My trailer brake is charged. The coupling and uncoupling is done. You can turn the truck off. When you're done your coupling and uncoupling, you start the truck. You're gonna go outside and remove your wheel blocks. Inside, you're gonna open your compartment. You're gonna go at the back. You're gonna move your wheel blocks. So, we got two wheel blocks. We're gonna move both of them. So, yep. So we took them off. We're gonna put them back into the compartment. From here, we're gonna go back inside the truck and we're gonna check our four-way. Check all the brakes. So we're gonna start with the first one, which is your spring brake. So you put it in drive. It is working. Then you press the trailer brake. It is working. Now you're gonna check the spike brakes. So we're gonna check the spike brakes now. So that's working. And your service brakes, it is working. All four of your brakes are working. Okay, so when you're done everything, your schedule one, your coupling and uncoupling, you check all your brakes. From here, it's up to the examiner. They'll tell you what they want to do next. If we road or backing, it's up to them.